Right, I've printed myself 3 restrictors for the balloon-powered CD hovercraft to try and reduce the airflow. So that one I think is 3mm, 4mm and 5mm. So we'll go and see if it makes any difference. Hi guys, balloon-powered CD hovercraft. In the previous episode, I showed you I'd 3D printed this nozzle or adapter, and I'd put quite a big hole in it. And the problem with that is the air comes out so fast that it's over in a matter of seconds. It also makes a funny noise. So to get round that, I'd put my solder reel on top to add weight to hold it down. And I did say we could try putting a restrictor in there to reduce the airflow. So that one, hang on, let's work this out. That one's a 3mm hole. That one's a 4mm hole. And that one must be a 5mm hole, which will significantly reduce the airflow. We'll just do a quick demo with it like that. It does make a loud noise. Right. Okay. So it works, but it doesn't last long and it makes that noise. So I'll go straight to the 3mm restrictor. That's just going to sit on there. And restrict the airflow. Makes it harder to blow it up too. Let's just do that to hold it for a minute. It's working, but we may have gone too far. So we'll try I suppose we ought to do them in order. So that's 3, this would be 4mm. The most likely thing to happen is the balloon will fail before we've finished the demonstration. It certainly doesn't seem such a tight fit as it did originally. Okay, so we'll try the 5mm. Yeah, that's beginning to be a loose fit on the nozzle. I could wrap a bit of wrap a rubber band around there to make it tight, I suppose. But we'll carry on as we are. Right, so I think the noise is showing us it's coming out too fast. So I won't spend too much time on this. I think that's enough. But it's easy enough to print some restrictors and reduce it down, and it works. And I suppose I could just do one more demonstration with the weight on it instead, which was the alternative way of doing it. Can't get it out now, pushed it in too hard. There we go. So, big hole, but with a weight on it to slow it down. That works much better like that. So putting a weight on it works better than the restrictors. Oh well, interesting experiment. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.